Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the custom knife factory Chimera, designed by Manila Marecek, here with me for a quick maintenance video. We're gonna clean it up. I mean, it's just perfect, it doesn't need anything. We're gonna try to perfect this already pretty cool action, thumb stud going on. Would you look at that beast of a knife? But hey, if you want to know more and if you are enjoying this kind of channel, don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. It's gonna help me like keep cranking these bad boys out. And let's see, we have a pretty simple construction. I see a T8 Torx bit pivot screw, a couple of handle of scales screw which are nicely flush, I have to say, and they look like T10, so you're gonna need a screwdriver. Gonna need a little bit of patience and very gently start unscrewing the scale, and that is one. And I try like to keep the screws tidy here, so like the right one is gonna go in the right spot, even if they are the same. It's probably my OCD, I don't really know, but just be careful. You see this one doesn't want to come out, just be gentle and it will come out like so. Then scale doesn't want to move, so maybe it's keyed in, not a biggie. And we're gonna do the pivot, and that is gonna come out hopefully. So also T8, the pivot looks indexed, which is a good thing. Just take that out, rotate the knife, let's gently open the blade without touching the sides, and let's gently wiggle it. Let's see, just really gentle all the time, take your time. So probably now the scale with the pivot can come out. In fact, it is coming out. Oh, so you have the actual screws which are indexing the scale. That's very interesting indeed. So the blade can come out, multi-row with washers. I see, very good. Also T8 for the internal screws, which is a good thing. You got one and you got two. So these screws are screwed in directly into the titanium. You've got two stop pin, one for the opening action, I believe, one for the closing action. Nice skeletonization going on. That's a pretty cool backspacer, kind of like looks Zirk, so that's a good thing. And you got multi-row bearings right there, which are ceramic, and they run on a stainless steel washer. So pretty nice construction. We're gonna just clean it up a little bit with some rubbing alcohol, just to clean up the grease here. So that is done. Let's clean here. That's also done. Interesting construction, the two stop pins like that, very cool. Let's clean the track here for the bearing. Let's clear the actual standoff. Sorry, the actual washer, kind of like spacer. Not really washers, but yeah, you know what I mean. Pretty cool spacer is there. Nice. And this side, that's pretty clean. Here you go. Done. We're back. We're ready to put everything back together. Let's just do 1, 2, 3 drops here. And that's gonna be 1, 2, and 3 drops here for the other bearing. So we're gonna do one bearing like so, and that guy is gonna go there. So the stop pin are in place, the pivot screw is in place, this is gonna go here. So we have to start actually from that side because of the pin of the pivot like so, which is, by the way, not indexed in any ways. Very interesting. It felt like it was, but it's not. So this guy actually, let's just check the tracks. So you see there's tracks here, no tracks there. So just expose the tracks here to the So this guy is gonna actually go here. This is gonna go here. And then this guy has to be there. So let's do this. Let's do the sandwich first. Hopefully this guy are gonna be staying in place like so. Here we go. So that's good. Pivots are in place. So let's just turn this thing over. Let's rotate this. Make sure you center the spacer. So that is gonna go here. Like so. You have to align this and this. And this guy, he's gonna go also here. So you have like a lanyard pin which has to be aligned. These two guys which have to be aligned. And this guy over here which has to be aligned as well. So you have three things that have to be aligned. So wow. Yeah. You know what, let's do this later. Let's do this first. 1, 2, 3. Let's align these holes like so. So this guy is actually this hole here, and this guy goes in. Let's just do like a gentle positioning now. Just for that, we're gonna tighten these. So this is just to align that. Very good. So second handle screw is in. Now let's center everything. So like with this. Okay, that is good. That's in place. Let's just close a little bit. So now let's tighten these screws. That is very good. They're in place. Check for the pins that they are in place. This guy goes here. Let's do this, and we're gonna do the pin in a second. Here we go. That's the second handle screw, which is in place. We're gonna need to add a little bit of blue Loctite for the pivot, so it just doesn't unscrew. And I forgot to add a little bit of lube on the detent ball, which I'm gonna do in a second. We're gonna tune this guy right away. So I'm gonna use a little bit of heavier weight nano oil on the detent ball, which is like that, and that is gone. And let's just roll this on the tang of the blade. Blade is centered. Pivot is a little bit too tight. Let's see. Blade centered. There's no play. And that's how you perfect a custom knife factory Chimera's action. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, guys, the action is just perfect. Like that. No need to do anything more, anything less. This is how you take care of your custom knife factory Chimera. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.